while we stealing bitches' hearts, these bitches feeling me. Hey, all around the res, there's niggas hating, thoughts of killing me. Yeah, my cousin passed away, but I promise that he lives in me. Bitch, I'm living every day like it's my last, no, I ain't scared to see these niggas shoot my dash, I'll spin back, might start a killing spree. Hey, bro just got unlucky like October Friday 30th. Scary movie, seen the scene, these niggas left, it just got dirty. Like what you heard from me, nigga, bitch, we don't talk and you don't know me for real. Nigga feel like your girls, shiny teeth but underneath, bro, you might need some fills. Damn, we making it deal, I got a lot of blue bills, so fuck the pain that I feel, yeah, I'm just keeping it real. Hey, you can't hurt me cause my heart's already broke. This has been like 30 days, so I rap just a coat. The Trevi in the game now, I gotta go on my own. I turn the auto to now, bitch, are you hearing me though? Hey, bitch, we drilling while we stealing bitches' hearts, these bitches feeling me. Hey, all around the rest, there's niggas hating, thoughts of killing me. My cousin passed away, said I promise that he lives in me. Bitch, I'm living every day like it's my last, no, I ain't scared to see these niggas shoot the dash, I'll spin it back and start a killing spree. I spin it back and start a killing spree. Then I caught him, my cousin Johnny, and he said that he would do the deed. Hey, we EBK, bitch, we everybody's killer. I shoot like I'm in J from the field, yeah, it's a thriller. Hey, one day I know my name, say Lil Trey, I know my real one. Hey, fuck with me, I love my peoples, they cannot be real. Hey, bitch, on D&D, so please don't call my phone. Baby, I'll be home whenever I get back, I'm grown.
Now we cruising through his road, he got his eyes up in his phone. Why he talking on the net like I just slide up on his bros? Now I'm walking through his hood and I'm just asking where'd he go. He ain't nowhere in my sight, cause if he did it'd be a show. Now